want the big one or? Yeah, I think one big for Terrence.
Terrence, big or small?
Big.
Okay. Bring it. Trisha, bring yours. Ayan, oh. Ang dami nagpi-fishing din doon, oh. Ano niya, nagpi-fishing sila. Tapos yun, skating. Nag-hockey ang iba doon, oh. Lalo siya ng hockey. Tapos may nag-ice skating. Kami naman mag-slide lang. Pag winter na po frozen yung lake, yan na yung pag frozen yung lake, maraming nag-ice fishing, tapos ayun may nag-skating, may naglalaro ng hockey. Trisha, hold! Wala, okay lang si Trisha. Hi! Trisha! Hold, baby, hold! Hold, just hold! Just hold! Ay, Diyos ko po. Ako yung natakot sa kanya. Bakit bigla kang sumakay? No, we're here. Tingnan natin kung hanggang sa ato yung pagod ng makapagod hanggang mapagod sila. Ito si Tyler nakatulog. Tulog amon baby. Daddy si Trisha. Ay, si kuya. Ayan. Bakit dyan si kuya sa bumpy? Sa bumpy ka dumaan. Okay, you're okay.
Yeah, I was bouncing.
Yeah, kasi doon ka sa bumpy na it's like stairs. You're supposed to be in the middle.
Well, I like when it was jumping.
Ayan si Trisha. Pinuntahan ni Daddy. Si Trisha. So ganun siya kataas. Kalayo. Ganun siya kalayo. You're okay. Okay. You like it? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, go. A little bit scared. Okay. Go, Trisha. Go, Trisha. Go. Tyler is here. Where's Manang? Where's Manang? You wanna see Manang? You wanna see Manang? Where's Manang? Diyan lang si Tay. Ayun na si Kuya. Kuya is coming. Are you having fun? Huh? Ayan sila, oh. Walang init or walang araw, pero hindi siya malamig. Kaya pwede sila mag-enjoy. Yan. Yun lang, ang snow parang nagme-melt na. So, madulas siya. Parang maganda dito Christmas kasi ang dami Christmas light. May mga Christmas light yung mga puno. Kami nakapunta dito ng Christmas kasi sobrang lamig. Arito ang aming baby. Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Diyan lang siya. Yan, diyan lang siya. Hi, Manang! Lumag pa si Manang sa lake. Lumagpas ka sa lake. You're having fun? You want more? Okay.
It's gonna go to this shit. Okay, go. Ah. You gotta, okay, oh, okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, you're gonna fall off.
Over again.
Oh, no. Okay. Wait.
Tyler! Tyler! Oh, you're happy. Tyler is happy. You okay? Oops. Manang pinapawisan ka na. Grabe, namumula na siya. Grabe. Hi. Namumula na. Manang. Namumula na sila. Manang. Hi, kuya. Kuya. Nagutom. Habang ang manang and kuya ayun, nag-enjoy pa. Ya, dede lang. Nagutom ka? Mami sister. Another siya, oh manang. Oh, okay. Oh. Oops! Okay, slide mo na siya, Koy.
I know. Wait.
Okay na, enough. Tyler! 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 Ay!
You want more?
You want more? Okay, Tyler wants more.
You want?
Tyler! Tyler!
He likes to jump. He likes to jump.
Go, Trishi! Go! Oh! Ah! Tyler, come! Tyler, come! Okay na ko, it's too high! Mommy is here! Mommy is here! Si Mommy nadulas!
He likes it.
Likes it.
Want more?
More? Okay, more daw. Slide. Go! Dali lang. Kuya, Tyler. Enough na, Koy. Tyler is coming. Tyler is coming. Tyler is coming! Ay, sus! Dadadawa.
You want more? He likes
na.
it. I will help.
Okay, careful. Yan, dyan ka, Koy. Sa ano ka behind Tyler. Laro na silang tatlo. Wala silang kapaguran nagubad ng jacket. Napawisan. Ano sila kapaguran dalawa, oh.
Oh, yeah, there, 3. Let's go. Up there.
Sulit na sulit ng snow pants si Trisha, o nadumihan.
There, 3. Yeah.
Taas na yan, oh. Ayan na sila. Hi! Hi! Ah!
Naka-t-shirt na lang to.
Hindi na siya naiinitan na.
T-shirt, naka-ano na lang. Long sleeve.
Wala po na yung mukha niya, oh.
More jacket.
Summer jacket na? Ha? Ang puwet niya. So, let's go, let's go. Pagod na sila. Cooking turon. Lalo na mag-isa. This is really crispy. Dato rin. Ganito pa na. Paper. Okay. It's a life or? Ito. Huh? This one is not hot. Ano? Mami.